Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So, I'm in a shopping centre. Guess what has returned back to the channel? It's elevators indeed. So we're here at Woking and we're going to be doing my first, well not first lift tour, but first lift tour back to the channel since like a year now actually. Just because I've seen like most of them being like popular and that, so I'm going to go take a ride in some of the lifts here at Woking Shopping Centre. Surprisingly, I still know a few stuff about elevators actually since like a year of not being into them. Well, this is a nice looking cone actually. Oh, it's flickery as well. Of course, it's LED displayed in that. Should be included. Lovely cones, I must say. They are really are. I think, does this still have the voice actually? Oh yeah, it has. Yeah, it's actually quite annoying. Now, if you also don't know what this button here, I think if it ever gets hot, you usually press this button and it has a fan, but it looks like didn't get installed, so it's a bit of a waste of a button really for the money. It's like, why would they do this? There's no actual fan, like there's not. Nice one, I've got the voice, so we're just gonna I'll wait for it to go down. Goes. Can we see the? No, we can't really see the Ecodisc, which is the green thingy. Now, I used to be like really kind of obsessed with this place, especially the car parks and that. This is blue car park room, so I'm gonna go over to yellow car parks. They do have some pretty interesting lifts, I must say. They are cheap, but they are kind of interesting. Oh, here we go. It's coming up now. Level 4. Oh, here we go, it has the voice, this one. Open up. Oh, that noise is actually really annoying. Oh yeah, hang on, you can see the Ecodisc. Hang on, zoom in. Yeah, there it is. Can't remember what MX it is, or NMX actually. Oh yeah, they have updated the voice. It's now called Food Court. What are they gonna call this one though? It should be like ground. It just says you. Oh yeah, basement. But is it a basement? Is it a basement? No, it's not. And is that even a parking level? Oh, I didn't even hear that anyway. It takes ages for it to open the doors. There is also another entrance to the yellow car park, but it's extremely weird. I mean, this is also a way to a fire exit as well. But not many people seem to use this way, they don't. Or can you oh, never mind, this one's never mind. But yeah, they're Dewhurst lifts, by the way. Oh well. So I do hope not to modernise it, but obviously to make it like a little bit better and like less cheap and that. But hopefully they will like get refurbishing now. I'm hoping they do actually. It would be great if they do. Right, so comment down below if you want me to do escalator contents. Now I'm not that much of a fan of them myself, but let me know in the comments down below if you want to see that actually. So I've seen quite a few interesting videos about them, but just been like really bored of them. But yeah, definitely let me know if I should do that or not. Right, so heading over to the Victoria place now. So now this part is actually quite new. It opened in 2020. You know what I really do not like about it? It actually replaced an old bus station. Oh man, it was just, I really miss the bus station, but now it's now a shopping centre now. Look, this is it. This is what they've turned a bus station into, a shopping centre. All of this here used to be a bus station. Now it's just, oh, Chad's over there. But anyways, completely ruined it. Oh yes, I do remember filming these. Good fun. You do also have a little secret level which I'll show you. That's still there. Wow. But you can actually go up to 10 anyway. I can't believe that's still there actually. Just come from down there. It's a really nice view up here actually, I must say. But obviously they're still doing work on floor 10. That is actually quite sad, you know. They're actually still working on it. It's been like this since 2022. So 2 years. What has actually been going on? Alright, but let's go down to floor 9. Oh, here's 9. Even that one's come, wow. Oh. So we're going to go back down to the ground floor and show you the secret floor. So obviously you can see this button doesn't work. Obviously it's not been labelled, but when you... Well, we're going to go, there's a way you can access to it. It's been blocked off since this got released actually. Yeah. Oh, it's making some weird noises. Right, so you go up these stairs. This is how you get to the secret floor. So you go up these stairs. Obviously it's called upper ground. Still actually quite clean, I must say. Right, here it is. Level U. It's actually pitch black. Oh my gosh. But can we get, though, I've not actually tried this, but can you get it to stop here? So I think I did try this one time and it failed. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Going up. Doors closing. Doors open. Going up. Doors closing.
Oh, that's quite cool. Ground floor. Oh, I didn't even do it anyway.
Doors open.
Right, next car park is the green one. Oh, now I must say these are quite rare ones to actually find, especially the voices as well. These are, you'll see in a minute. Oh, someone's using it. At least it's not flickery. But no, these ones, I think that these ones are from like 2019. Oh, here we go, it's going to be this one. Now you also have another secret floor, but you can't sort of really access it. There's no stairs up to it. But oh yeah, 2009. These cones are actually, these are one of the best models you can find. But quite rare to find as well, especially, well not, I wouldn't say these models are rare, but the voice itself. Oh, this one doesn't have it. I think the other one does. Alright, so that one's going to go down and we're going to get in this one. Alright, wait for me. Okay. So also it goes down to the WC as well, which we're going to go down to. Okay, so if you don't know what this bit is, the keyhole. You can like open up and go in the shaft and that. We're definitely not doing that. No voices are actually gone on this one, they're gone. Wow. Oh look, there we go, so close and open. Oh, someone's getting in.
What's your back? Where's the information?
This is actually... Oh yeah, the chavs are really kicking off. They're just basically just going after innocent people.
Going down. WC.
Right, now this bit here, you can also get to Red Car Park as well, so you have like a second entrance or second set of lifts here. Now we're gonna do this one last because there's something actually really cool about this one that I like. Right, here we go. So not this one, obviously it's go to 10. These ones are a little bit newer, 2021. So this is probably the newest model. I know this area is like full of cones and that, and don't really have any accesses anymore. But they're still nice lifts actually, I must say. They're still nice. Oh my gosh. Another secret, that'll also be upgraded. Oh, so this is what they're doing then. Ah. I don't know what's taking them so long actually. There we go. To floor 9. Because we're going to try and get this one. Oh, I think it activates. Oh, well, I think it does. I'm going to wait for it to go because I think when you press this one, it also activates these ones as well. Oh no, it doesn't actually. That's good. Oh yeah, it's going to be this one. So you have 2 doors in this one. So I think when you can actually access upper ground on this one. So I think, yeah, upper ground's on this side. Oh, I think, don't tell me this one's wrong. Oh, I thought it was broken then, but no, it's not. That's good. Right, is it this side? No, it's not that side. It might be another side actually. I can't remember. Oh wait, was it 10? Let's go back up to 10. And then we'll do ground, because it might be on that side. Unless they probably changed it, I don't know. Because I've not been here in ages. Okay. No, I think it's blocked off now. Alright, back to ground. Now, because of it being a stupid bank holiday Monday, Marks and Spencer's has decided to shut early, and there were some lifts in there I wanted to do, but they closed early. Well, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe if you want me to do more videos like this, because I've just started getting back into it. It's been actually pretty fun actually. Now there are more lifts, but obviously they're in offices and that, so like we can't sort of really access them, which is a shame, but at least we've managed to do some as well. But like I said, thanks a lot for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lift tour video. Until then, goodbye.